Welcome back to this week's episode. Last week we left you in the centre of Lombok, surrounded by beautiful rainforests and winding roads. Now we're setting course for the west and south of the island, chasing new landscapes and discovering some truly special spots along the way. From quiet corners to unexpected beauty, come along for this week's episode as our Lombok adventure continues.
Focus our eyes on the journey, stepping into the unknown, waving goodbye to our worry. So we run wild and free.
Joe's going to take us around his village and show us his village. Everyone's come out to see us. We're a spectacle here.
For Sasak tradition. So when like they are having a break time, like having like Lombok coffee.
Yeah. Hello. Sometimes,
Yeah.
when it's hot.
Not sometimes, right? It's always all people living in this village who are family.
Living here in total,
Is about like 350 people.
and you've got 350 family members here. Wow.
Yes.
That's a lot.
This is my grandmom
Hello.
from my daddy.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, his age is about 95.
95. And now this smells like a farm.
Especially when it's raining.
Yeah. There. Joe said, smells like shit.
And look at the work in it.
Hello. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
for visiting the village.
Very cool. Thank you. Well, that was pretty cool experience. That was amazing. So much fun. Just seeing how they live. Everyone, we were just the attraction of the day. Everyone just kept coming out and saying hello. It was unbelievable. Take the GoPro off me.
For a village that's so poor, like it's almost poverty line, everyone was just so happy and they're just, all the kids are just running around. You know, they just not a care in the world. It's just great to see, but sad in other ways as well.
Yeah. We're going to try and get into this coconut forest and see how we go. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to, but we will try. Here's one of the many plantations of coconut palms on this island. They're just everywhere here. Morning. We are hitting the road again today. Today we're heading down to Kuta for 2 nights before we fly back to Bali. So these will be our last 3 days, 2.5 days actually, left on Lombok. So we'll be seeing, you know, a lot of beaches and things, and we will stop at the temple because we didn't get to do it yesterday. We spent so much time around the village. So we were doing the temple first stop, and then down the bottom south of the island where Kuta is. So we will see you on the road. We've arrived at the Hindu temple, Pura Batu Belong. Sorry, just trying to walk downstairs while I was talking. So we'll go and check this temple out and have a look. They've got a big ceremony on today, so no luck on getting in. We're on our way down to the south part of Lombok, and we've just stopped at this little beach area, and all the secret gillies are off here. There's a few of the islands here, and the beach is disgusting. It is full of rubbish. Check this out. There's no way you would walk on this beach at all. The oldest village in Lombok, Sadad village, okay? And we've got a guide. You've got to have a guide to actually walk through.
I'm Kite. I was born and I live here. I'm local people from this village for escort you after for give information everything. Already entering to already start collecting to entering inside. 6 to 8 people every
Suck it in. So this two-story building behind me here, that's where they store the rice up in the top, and they've got they're up on stilts, and they've got these here, so that the mice can't get up and get around. So that's why they're up on these stilts. So no mice or chickens can get into the rice. So the cigarettes, they roll out of the corn husk, the dry corn husks. That's the cigarette paper, and then they just roll, and they grow their own tobacco, and they just roll their own cigarettes out of that, and that's what he's smoking.
Very good. Better than Marlboro.
And the girls don't smoke, only the boys.
So there's no privacy in the village. It's one bedroom. They all sleep on the floor. There's no bathroom. It's a bathroom. It's an outside community bathroom, which the village shares. So there's a couple of these bathrooms scattered around the village, which they all share. Yeah.
There's 2 bedrooms. Did you say the girls sleep up top?
Oh no, I didn't.
The parents and the sons sleep on the first level, and the daughters sleep up where the kitchen was. Morning. We are here in Kuta now. I didn't do any filming last night. I was so tired after multiple hours drive from up in Sengigi to here. So we are off to see all the beaches here. First stop will be the Pink Beach, which I'm really looking forward to. To get to the Pink Beach, it is going to be an hour-and-a-half drive and about 30 kilometres. So it's a long time for 30 kilometres. We've arrived at the Pink Beach, but must I say, it doesn't look too pink from here. So we will see when we get down there. How it becomes pink colour is what it is. It's all the red coral that has come in and, you know, broken up over time, and the fragments left in here. So that's what gives you the appearance of pink sand. Well, the Pink Beach was a little bit disappointing, but it was still a little bit pink. So now we are headed to Tanjung An Beach, and that will take us about an hour. The Pink Beach took us 2 hours to get there, so we're sort of heading back an hour. We've arrived to Tangjung and beach, and it looks quite pretty. At least the sun's out now. It was pouring rain a little while ago. At least the sun's back out and it's hot. Very hot. Get harassed all the time, even in Lombok. Such a pretty beach. Beautiful white sand, beautiful green turquoisey water. This landscape is amazing, and it's got a couple of yachts, so we'll be able to come back here next year. We're off to Nambang Beach Waterfall now, which looks pretty spectacular, so we'll just have a look when we get there. It's about another hour and a half drive. This driving's driving me bonkers. Everything's so far apart.
They're not that far apart. It's just the roads. The roads are just absolute crap.
Yeah, but there's still a long way between both, between each sort of step. So, more driving. Arrived to Nambang Beach, but the waterfall is not pumping today because the swell is not big enough. So we're just going to shoot the drone out there and have a look. You can see them jump up the other side, but they actually don't come over the edge, so which is a little disappointing, but you know, that's how it goes. We're always at the mercy of the ocean. This is Nambang Beach Waterfall that we would have seen should the surf have been pumping. Way home to Kuta, which is another hour's drive. Good morning. We are back on the road today. We are heading back to Bali. So we're on our way to the airport here in Lombok, and then an hour flight and we'll be back in Bali. So we'll be over in Sanur for a few days. So we'll see you in Sanur. We're going to leave this episode here. I hope you're enjoying the Lombok episodes. Look, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your comments below, and I will see you next week in Sanur.